L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad, India's largest PPP transit project. Operating 69 kilometers of elevated metro, it posted a strong turnaround in fiscal year 2023 to 2024, with revenues doubling to 1,399 crore rupees. Operations are managed by Crores Hyderabad MRTS, part of the global Crores Group. In fiscal year 2023, it required nearly 29% revenue growth and a 3x jump in profitability, reflecting world-class efficiency and service. Supporting this ecosystem is V1 Facility Services, a Hyderabad-based integrated facilities management company since 2018. With 2,000+ trained employees across 200 locations, V1 delivers housekeeping, security, and maintenance services to leading industries. Fully compliant and PSARA licensed, V1 ensures every touchpoint is clean, secure, and operational. With 26.5 crore rupees revenue in financial year 2024 to 2025, V1 isn't just a vendor, it's a performance-driven partner. Together, L&T MRHL, Crores, and V1 Facility Services are driving safer, smarter, and more sustainable urban mobility in Hyderabad.